Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, we're looking at the Google Pixel Buds 2, the 2021. Now, this is the unboxing of it. It's really tiny. I was really impressed. I kind of liked the box. It was really small, as you can see. Now, let's unwrap it and see what it's like inside. Try not to wreck it too much. Okay, so that's not too big. What I feared was like a lot of people are trying to copy Apple, and with these cases some of them go a bit big, especially looking at the Sonys. Okay, so those are the extra buds you get, and I think medium normally suits me for everything. So let's see how I'm going to go with these ones. So I think normally the mediums are on, small and large is on there. Okay, so wow, okay, so it's got the books underneath, and I think that's about it. Okay, so the manuals and everything. All right, so okay, all right. It's basically telling you how to pair the thing and warranty stuff. Okay, now I really love how soft this feels in your hand. The wire is really soft, and it's USB-C to normal USB. I don't know why they do that, because everything is moving to USB-C now, so I think they should just do USB-C to USB-C. I hate seeing USB-C to A. And I know a lot of people gave me flack about that, saying, oh, not everyone got the latest computers. Well, for those of us who do, and it's going towards USB-C, so might as well do USB-C to USB-C. You're not going to hold on to your old computer forever. Alright, let's open this up. Feels good. It feels nice. It's not too big, you know, but feels a bit cheap, plasticky, the case. The buds were alright. The new trend is obviously magnetic, so yeah, they are magnetic. They slide into place, I think. Quite tiny. I don't know. I like it actually. They're quite tiny. Alright guys, that's it basically from me. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know what you think about it in comments. Give it a like if you like it, and hang tight for the review, which will be coming in about 2 to 3 weeks. Thanks for watching guys.